Okay, let's cover thinning of the hair for men and women. The only distinct difference between the men and women hair loss is that women tend to lose their hair when they have a hormonal imbalance. So the first thing I would do as a female is that I would use the female hormone balance formula to balance the hormones out for you to prevent the hair loss. Then for both men and women, to tackle the hair loss, I would clean my sinuses. Make sure you get rid of the excess mucus in the head region. Clean your eyes, clean your ears. Clean your nasal passage, get the mucus out of your head region, clean your bowels, work on your kidneys and your lymphatic system, and use horsetail herb for your hair, fantastic for it. We have a tea, use it once a day for a good 4 to 6 weeks. You see your hair, skin, and nails improve. Use a good hair oil, sick formula, it will help stimulate the scalp, use it. If you want additional stimulation, use my shampoo here. It's high actives of ylang ylang, rosemary, and peppermint. You feel a tingling sensation, okay? It's very powerful. All you need is a penny size, and combine with your natural shampoo. Very, very powerful. You shake it and it gets cold. That's how powerful it is. You shake it, it gets cold. Okay, that's the actives. Clean your bowels, use the Fabulous 5 here, and you're good to go. The fruit diet is essential for your hair loss because it moves the great lymphatic system, the system that's causing the hair to fall out in the first place, or compromising the glands to not work properly.